I do strive for perfection every single job. The attention to detail is crucial in my work. I'm Mike Szwacki. I am a rapper and a rapping trainer working from my shop in Middlesbrough. Before we start rapping, we need to measure the whole car, every single panel. Making sure we've got enough material. We've got every piece separate, ready to go. We're working on the Tesla Model 3. White cars are for every rapper's nightmare to get into some tight gaps, and for that reason we need to take the car apart completely. First of all, we're gonna finish the door shoots inside and the back of the doors. They are the most difficult part on the car, and that's why we need to start on them. On those intrigue parts, we are using very specific tools to get to those tiny places, tiny recesses, micro squeegees, flex trim squeegees, those kind of dentist tools. Next up, we're taking the bumpers off, front one and the rear one, to prepare them for wrapping. We're gonna disassemble them, clean it properly, degrease it, and then we can apply some inlays. We use the knifeless tape in few parts where we would like to keep nice straight lines, very close to the edge. After doing inlays, we putting the bumper back on the car just to make it more solid, more rigid. After doing the main piece of wrapping, we're removing the bumper again to finish all the edges, all the corners, to finish it up. You see me using the knife in many places. We are scoring the material, not cutting through, not damaging the paintwork. Next up, we've got the rear quarter panels together with the side skirt. They look easy, but because of the charging port, it's getting very tricky on those parts. Every detail, every corner, every edge needs to be finished to perfection. The devil sits in the details, as they say. My workshop is pretty much my second home. I spend most of the time in here working on cars that I enjoy. every vinyl got some direction. If it's not the correct direction all around the car, some panels may look off with slightly different shadow, slightly different color. What I do like, that I'm actually not selling wraps, I'm selling happiness. Seeing that joy, that smile on the customer face when he walks in and seeing beautiful car now, that makes my job.